Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video where I'm going to be playing 99 Nights in the Forest. So yeah, if you want to see, come on. Okay, so we loaded in the game. So first things first, I'm going to chop a tree and then grab the one piece of coal. Because to me that stuff is like that's how I level up the campfire and yeah, progress my game. That's basically how the game starts to me. Okay, now I just need to find the coal, which is right here. Okay, so put that there. So now I'm just gonna go and explore and not fully explore. I'm just gonna look for one. Oh yeah, I was gonna say let me look for one more piece of coal, because to me, and every time like I level up the campfire with that one piece of coal, like it stays like half if I don't take too long to find the coal. So like I should not take too long. So first things first, I'm gonna save the first kid, because as soon as the camp, to me every time, as soon as the campfire reaches level 3, I save the first kid. And yeah, basically as soon as I'm able to save the kid that can't save himself, I do. So yeah, so first let's kill all the wolves. Damn. Okay, when there's like one wolf, I'll just kill it with Moldax. Cause like I don't have time for that. I don't have no time for like waiting for like my ray gun to recharge. Cause like waiting is just like annoying. Like to me it's annoying. Like cause like why do I have to wait? Can it just be automatic? Like I prefer automatically. Okay, so oh yeah, and you guys might be wondering why I'm recording so differently. Cause like the phone that I used to record is kind of buggy, but like this one also has like low quality, is kind of slow. So if it lags, you don't mind. So yeah. So now I saved the kid. So I'm just gonna just in my opinion, I feel like steaks are more valuable than morsels. So like guys, don't attack me, but it's just because like I just realized like when I eat meat, even like raw meat, like morsel, it just gives me like a quarter of my health, like, but also like meat gives like a bit more than morsel. So it just gives me like a bit like more. So no, I'm not gonna eat anything because my hunger is still fine. So now I'm just gonna explore and look for like coal. Speaking of coal, I found coal and fuel canisters. Normally I'd grab the chair, but I only grab the chair when like my sack is like a good sack, cause I don't wanna waste too much sack space, cause I want mostly like fuel, yeah, so my campfire can upgrade way faster than usual. So normally to upgrade my campfire, I normally need like fuel canister and 3 coals, but maybe it'll be different. I'm not sure, because like not all rounds are the same. So okay, so I just need one more coal. Hey guys, that's it for today. So if you want me to play more Roblox videos like these ones, like then you just tell me in the comments, guys. Like don't worry, or just like on my post, because like I'm gonna be posting more videos. Like maybe I'm gonna do challenges, my 9 Wars. I may play Tower of Hell. I may play MM2, fake MM2. I don't know, play fake Roblox games of 99 Nights, or even more, or even go back to old Roblox games, like all this stuff. Like, and yeah, if you wanna, if like, yeah, I can play anything that you guys want, cause like not everything that yeah, cause yeah, I don't know, guys. Yeah, bye. Yeah, so like, bye out. If you wanna say goodbye.